Hello, today I'm gonna show you my ion propelled airship. I bought the RC Airship on eBay and did a quick check how to mount it and remove the gondola containing the electric motors and RC receiver. Then I started to build my own gondola using ion generators, relays and tubing and so on. If you want to see more about ion engines, check my other videos. I also added an Arduino board and wrote a small test program to see the performance of the engines. I attached my gondola to a fishing line and the first test run was a true success and I felt very confident to pull this off. However, that was not the case. The weight of the gondola was way too high. I unpacked and inflated the balloon with helium and tried out how much weight it could carry. The result was 87 grams and my gondola at this point weighed 243 grams, about 9 ounces. To reduce weight, I removed the Arduino board on the gondola and added a small lightweight RC receiver. I hooked up the RC transmitter part to the Arduino board and added a stick and wrote a program to be able to steer left and right. I mounted it all together on a plastic box. The gondola, however, was yet way too heavy and I went through quite many iterations to reduce the weight. I mounted small rings instead of pipes on the ion engines and switched the relays to transistors and added much smaller batteries and hooked everything up on a bar that I built out of foam board. The hardest part was to find lightweight ion generators that at the same time was powerful enough. Many of them have a thick coating of resin to insulate the circuit and I did not spend any time to build my own ion generator circuit. At the end, my build ended up with the weight of 68 grams, about 2.3 ounces, but then I added an extra battery and extended the bars so the end result was just under 80 grams. Then it was time for the real test. I was uncertain if the airship would move at all because ion engines produce so little thrust, but it did work. The speed was at least to say mediocre, but the airship did move forward. I also mounted the gondola bar on the side of the balloon because it was just easier to mount it there. I'd like to know what you think, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more things like this, please subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.